Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Invest TV. It would appear that we are having some server issues with, I'm assuming, YouTube, because we were everything was fine on our end. So we've gone ahead and closed everything out, opened everything back up to see if we could try and re-solidify that connection. And now we will be going back to what we were talking about before, which was um, which was the new active users on the rise. So Glassnode, another on-chain data analytics service, also boosted Bitcoin's booming adoption prospects. The portal revealed that the Bitcoin network has onboarding of an average of 32,000 new users every day, which is a new high for 2021. The Bitcoin network user growth metric last topped in January of 2018, hitting approximately 40,000 before correcting lower alongside the prices. It showed that new users stopped coming to Bitcoin network as the price crashed from the top of 20,000 in January to as low as 3,200 in December. This is not a structure. Uh, this is not the structure we are experiencing right now, explained Willie Will. New users are taking this opportunity to buy the dip. They're coming in at the highest rate that we've seen for 2021. So even though we're seeing, similar things like, more Bitcoin users coming on to the Bitcoin network, it doesn't necessarily reflect with what happened in 2018 for the simple fact that we already had that tremendous drop. So we're hitting a new high for new users within 2021, and it's happening after we've already hit the past new all-time high, which was that 65K. So in retrospect to this, we're actually looking fairly good. It says Bitcoin is currently stuck below 34,000 at the time of this publishing, up 17.52% from its previous bottom of 28.8 on June 22nd. So, we're still doing better from what we were before. If we go back to the chart for Bitcoin, we can see that even though we are seeing a pretty nasty dip when it comes to Bitcoin, we're still staying above, that $30,000 mark. If we go out to the 1 hour chart here, we can go and see, we're still up by a pretty substantial amount. In reality, even though we're having a pretty significant crash today, the lows are getting lower. So we're basically what I'm saying is if I were to take if I was to draw some lines here for you guys, right? You know, you can see that you can kind of come on now, don't do that. You can see that hold on, I'm sorry everyone. Thing is being ornery. Okay. So you can see that, we're going to end up coming to uh, you know, essentially a kind of an inflection point over here, going into the middle of the month. It's going to keep bouncing back and forth until it eventually closes in, and that's when we're going to either see it spike back up or we're going to see it crash even lower than what it was before. If we reach to this point and we start to go down again, I would be, looking to be getting prepared for, a 25,000, a $20,000 Bitcoin, just because, if we start to see a tremendous downtrend when these 2 points meet each other again, it could spell disaster in the regards of trying to maintain above 30K. If we see it begin to have an uptrend, then we could actually try and break above 40K again, and then try and get past that major resistance of 42. And if we do, then we would start being in some really good shape. It just really depends on what happens here, over the over the next couple of weeks. if we keep seeing a downtrend continually, if we break through this downtrend even more so as we move forward, going into the 12th and the 15th and the 18th, if that continues to happen, then we could having to brace ourselves in the regards of a $20,000 Bitcoin. I'm personally, optimistic that that's not going to happen, but you never know. Moving on into our next topic is which countries have the most crypto ATM adoption. According to research recently published by crypto education platform CryptoHead, the United States is one of the most crypto-ready countries. That analysts said looked at a variety of factors impacting cryptocurrencies in different countries, such as public internet, the government's legal stance on the ownership of digital currency, as well as accessibility, particularly in particularly the prevalence of crypto ATMs. Surprisingly, a crypto ATM is actually a real physical device that allows people to purchase Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies with cash or their debit or credit cards. Some models are bidirectional and also allow the sale of digital currencies for cash. With
Actually,
7.3 out of 10, the US emerged on top of CryptoHead's ranking, mainly due to the abundance of crypto ATMs compared to other countries. As of 2021, the United States has an impressive 17,436 crypto ATMs in service through, though that figure has nothing to do with the actual, or it has nothing on the number of conventional ATMs scattered across the country, which amount to about 700 and or oh, 470,000 back in 2018. Still, the machine presence is growing steadily as companies such as CoinCloud continue to expand their operations nationally. North of the U.S. border, Canada was one of the first countries to approve regulation of um, was the first to approve regulation of cryptocurrencies in 2014. It comes as a distant second